In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Wix website. If you need help managing your site, bringing on a teammate, or letting a specialist edit just one area, Wix makes it straightforward to share access safely. The key is to invite them as a collaborator and assign the right role so they only see and change what you want. Start on your site's dashboard. From here, look to the menu on the left and click Settings. This is your control center for how the site is configured. Inside Settings, find and open Roles and Permissions. This section shows everyone who currently has access to your site and exactly what they're allowed to do. Next, click Invite Collaborators. You'll see a simple form. In the email field, type the address of the person you want to invite. Double-check that it's correct, because Wix will send the invitation straight to that inbox. Below the email, choose a role. This is important. Roles determine the level of access they'll receive. Pick the role that best matches their responsibility and stick to the principle of least privilege. Only give them what they truly need. For example, if someone is helping with content, choose a role focused on editing pages or posts rather than full site administration. If they're handling billing, select a billing-related role so they can view payments without changing your design. You can read the short descriptions next to each role to understand what permissions are included. If you're unsure, start conservatively. You can always adjust the role later from the same area. Once the email and role look right, click Send Invite. That's it on your end for now. The person you invited will receive an email from Wix with a link to accept. They'll need to sign in or create a Wix account using that same email to complete the process. While you're waiting, you can keep the Roles and Permissions page open. You'll see their status listed as pending until they accept. If they mention not seeing the email, have them check their spam or promotions folder. After they accept, their status changes to active, and they'll be able to access only the parts of your site allowed by the role you assigned. And that's all you need to do. You went to Settings, opened Roles and Permissions, invited a collaborator by email, selected the appropriate role to control access, and sent the invite. With this approach, you keep your site secure while giving the right people the right tools to help.